In this lesson, we are going to learn how to crack the serial key. And these are the steps involved. Step 1. Search for the strings for bad message. Then put a breakpoint on the bad message. A bad message is a message which tells you that you have entered a wrong serial key. After you have put a breakpoint, the program will pause at the breakpoint for the bad message. You then search for where the serial key is being compared with the one which the user entered. Then you put a new breakpoint on the comparison, and thereafter you extract the serial key. So let's get started. Open your crackme file using the x64 DBG, and now you are at the starting. Let's run to the entry point by pressing F9 or clicking on the run button, and you are now at the entry point. Next, just click on F9 again, and you will see the window showing. Enter any wrong serial key, click on check, and it will show you the bad message. So notice the bad message consists of the caption and the string or the message. So in order to pause the program, we need to find the correct breakpoint to put. At the moment, we are not able to analyze the code because the program did not pause for us to analyze. It is running all the time. So one way to find the breakpoint to put is to look for the strings in the bad message. So just make sure you are in the user mode module, right click, and then search for current module string references, and it will perform all the search. And then in the result here, look for the string which is showing up in the bad message. In this case, wrong serial key. Try again. So double click on this to go to the instruction, and you can see it is over here that the string is being used in a message box. And this is the message box showing us the bad message. And all these are the preparation for the message box to be shown. And if you look further up, you will find there is another message box which is showing us a good message which says, "Congrats, well done." So it is this good message which we want to be shown. So if you think and analyze carefully, there should be some kind of a comparison being made somewhere on top which decides which message box is to be shown. And that comparison is a comparison between your key that the user enters and the correct key. So if we were to scroll up further, we should be able to look for something interesting. And over here, you will find there is something interesting here. Okay, but before that, let us put a breakpoint probably over here, just before the good message is being shown. As you can see, this jumps over the good message and goes to show you the bad message. So this is a good place to put a breakpoint. So let us restart the program and enter the wrong serial key. Click on check, and it pauses at the jump. And so the jump will be taken. If we were to press F8, it will continue to jump and show you the bad message. Let's press F8 just to check it out. it jumps over the good message, and now it is in the bad message section. We continue to press F8. And the bad message is being shown over here. Wrong serial key. Try again. Okay, so now let us analyze further high up to see if we can put a breakpoint further up just before the decision is being made to jump or not to jump. Obviously over here it is testing the value of EAX to see whether or not to jump. So something is setting the value in EAX. So what is setting it? Let's move up and see. So you keep scrolling up, you will find something interesting over here. Get dialog item text. So this get dialog item text is a Windows function to extract the text that is being keyed in by the user. So this appears to be a good place to put a breakpoint. And we can remove this one. Now we rerun the program again. And now we are here. Key in the wrong serial key, click on check, and we break just as we anticipated at the get dialog item text. So at this point, it is about to extract the serial key which the user enters. So let's press F8. And as you can see, something is happening here. It is moving a string into ECX. And now it has loaded the text that the user entered into EAX. So as you can see, EAX has got the string that the user entered, and ECX has got something else. Let's move on, press F8, and now it is trying to compare. It is trying to compare between ECX and EAX to see whether they are the same. So this is where the decision is going to be made, whether or not the user has entered the correct serial key. So as you can guess, this must be the serial key, the correct serial key. So you can right click on this, copy line, paste it into a notepad, and just cut this up and put it down here. Now let us rerun the program. We can remove the breakpoint if you want. And now we shall paste this in here. Click check. F9 to run. And you see the congrats message is being shown. So you have managed to crack the serial key for this program. Thank you for watching.